Hey, it's Mark Weiss. I want to talk with you today about spreading your risk. A few weeks ago, at least a few weeks since I posted it, I'm not sure when you're going to be watching this or when it's going to be scheduled. I wrote a blog post on the blog at weiss.pc.com about an anesthesia group in Fresno, California that filed bankruptcy because, among other things, it thought it had spread its risk, but it spread its risk within the same hospital system, terminated their system agreement, and what do you know, no business, or not enough business, but apparently significant debt, both mature debt as well as contingent debt. You know, there's this, bromide. If you don't, if you fail to plan, you're planning to fail. It sounds, goofy, but it's really true. In terms of medical groups, whether they're hospital-based groups, but they're the perfect sort of poster child for this, or even physician groups that, I've worked with some in the past who have bet their whole relationship, say a very specialized surgical group, on a relationship with a hospital, only to have that hospital decide that they want someone else to fill that role, and what do you know, their whole practice is gone. We often hear that sort of investing in ourselves is the best investment, but I think that's bullshit. To invest in yourself as an individual, one thing, but to invest in your business when that business is so narrowly focused, or is focused on what is an illusion in terms of the fact that it appears to be spread over a large number of facilities, but with common control, it's extremely risky today, especially as more and more medical services are contracted. More and more contracting is based on the maxim, what have you done for me lately, with the emphasis on lately, on the how much can we cut from the budget, meaning from what we might pay you or subsidize you or guarantee you. Becomes very, very dangerous. Take a look at your relationships, your referral relationships, your hospital relationships, and truly think, what would happen if those relationships were terminated, if contracts were terminated, if even the entity with which we contract were to go out of business, let alone if they were to become disenchanted with you. What's your option? Start spreading that risk now, because sooner or later one of those things will happen. And if I'm wrong and it doesn't, think how delighted you'll be.